Next, you're going to want to take your Elmer's glue and you put in however much glue you want or how big you want your slime to be. So I just set it upside down so all the glue rises to the bottom. And while you're doing that, you want to take your bowl and put in about a teaspoon of borax, and I just eyeball it. And then you want to add in some hot water so that it can dissolve the borax, about a cup of water. And then you're going to want to move it aside so that it can dissolve and pour all of your glue out. And then if you want your slime to be fluffy, you add any type of shaving cream. This equal parts of glue and shaving cream. And then you're going to want to take 2 pumps of foaming hand soap. And then you're going to want to take lotion, and this is what makes it stretchy, unless you want your slime to be hard. And you just add just as much as you want it to be stretchy. And then if you want your slime to be colored, then you could add any kind of food coloring. I'm using red. So you're just going to want to add a little bit of that. And then you're just going to want to start mixing your glue. Okay, so now your borax should be dissolved, and so you just want to add a little bit of borax. Then you're going to pour about a tablespoon each time, just a little bit, or else your slime will become hard. And then in between each time, you're going to want to mix it, and you'll start to see it form together. Then you're going to want to add as much as you want until it's fully together. And I add about 3 to 4 tablespoons altogether. So then when it's starting to form, you're going to want to take it off the spoon and start to knead it. And it'll be sticky at first, but then the more you knead, it'll get less sticky. If you need to add more borax, then just add it. Add a tablespoon. You can knead it until it's not sticky anymore, and then mine wasn't sticky, but it's not stretchy, so I have to add more lotion. And if it's not stretchy, that means that you added too much borax. And then you have slime.